Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Google Play Integrity API detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a Google Cloud project set up. Navigate to the Google Cloud console. In the console, create a new project or select an existing one. Next, enable the Google Play Integrity API. To do this, click on APIs and Services in the left sidebar. Then select Library. Search for Google Play Integrity API in the search bar. Click on the API and then select Enable. Now, generate credentials for your application. Go to APIs and Services again and click on Credentials. Click on Create Credentials and choose Service Account. Fill in the necessary details for the service. After creating it, click on the service account to manage permissions. Select Add Key and choose JSON. This will download a JSON file containing your credentials. Next, implement the API in your app. If you are using Android, add the Google Play Services dependency in your build.gradle file. Now, implement the code to call the Google Play Integrity API. Start by importing the necessary libraries for your application. Initialize the Integrity Manager in your code. Prepare your request to the API by creating an Integrity Request object. Send the request and await the response. Once you receive the response, parse the integrity verdict from the API. Use this verdict to determine the authenticity of app interactions. Make sure to handle any potential errors that may arise during the API call. Test your implementation thoroughly to ensure everything works smoothly. Finally, review your application's security posture based on the API responses. This will help maintain the integrity of your app and its user interactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.